3 former Minneapolis police officers were found guilty yesterday of violating George Floyd's civil rights. Now, the federal jury found they showed a deliberate indifference to Floyd's medical needs as former officer Derek Chauvin knelt on his neck for more than 9 minutes. They could be sentenced to life in prison. Speaking of global activism, how many civilians worldwide stood up for our country and our reform when that happened to George Floyd?
Yeah. I mean, I looked at these charges that they were convicted of, and it's just like, you know, it really, to me, it struck me that they were convicted of not being human. That's really, I mean, there's a legal term for it, but just like when you see the worst thing that you've ever seen happening right in front of you and you fail to do anything, that we had to decide as a people that that is a crime. But really what they were convicted of is being almost subhuman, in that they failed to take any kind of action, which is, even if you took the wrong action.
Right, that's what, I just wrote down one word, and that's indifference. That's like the big word here, is because it's not what they did, it's what they didn't do. And this is a resounding, huge sound to the rest of the police everywhere else, that if you sit there and do nothing, you are still culpable of murder, of a crime, and you will be held to that in federal court. So I can't believe we've actually gotten justice from this. I think a lot of people didn't think we'd get this far, and I'm really glad to say that there is closure to this and that this precedent will stand.
Speaking of closure, his brother, did anybody see that? His
Yeah,
brother finally can breathe again.
Oh, God.